Let's try another problem. Read the question. If we wish to have $800 in a savings account at the end of 4 years, how much do we need to invest in the savings account right now if we assume that we have an interest rate of 5% APR compounded annually? Now to start this problem, let's write what we know and what we need to find. In this problem, we are given a future value of $800. We're saying we want to have $800 in the future. So that's going to be denoted by F. We know that we're dealing with an interest period of 4 years. So we have 4 interest periods. And an interest rate, I, which is equal to 5% APR. Remember, that APR is interest per year, and we can look here and see that our N and our I are in the same units, so we know we're okay. What we need to find in this problem is the present principal investment that we need to make right now in order to have $800 in the future. So really quickly here, let's draw our cash flow diagram because these are always important. Okay, draw that across. We're dealing with a 4-year period, so we start at time 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Label that 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We know that we have a future amount that we want to be able to withdraw, F, which is equal to $800. A little messy there. Okay, and we want to know right now how much do we need to invest, P, to get that $800. Let's clean this up a little bit. And remember, the point of view is going to be the investor in this problem. So to find the appropriate factor and the appropriate formula for this problem, all we have to do is write out the notation here. So we are looking for P, and we're given F, I, and N. That means we're going to use the P/F factor. Okay, so let's start out using the equation, and then we'll use the factor and see if we get the same answer. Now using the equation, we're just going to say P is going to be equal to F multiplied by 1 over 1 plus I to the N. Now that's a little bit messy there, so let's rewrite that. I to the N. Okay, and remember that's the inverse of the F/P factor. Right? Now let's write this out. We have $800 multiplied by 1 over 1 plus 0.05. Okay, and we're going to raise that to our N, which is 4 years. And that's going to give us a final amount here of $658.16. So let's scroll over a little bit. 16 cents. What that says is that we need to invest $658.16 right now in an account that has an interest rate of 5% for 4 years, and at the end of that time we'll end up with exactly $800. And that makes sense to us, right? We have, we've gained about $150 worth of interest over the course of 4 years, and that makes sense. So we know we're in the ballpark at least. Let's also try this problem using the factor table. Using the factor table, we're going to use the following notation. P is equal to F times the P/F I N factor. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our $800. We are going to go to our factor table, where you're going to find the 5% table, because that's what we're concerned with. And we're going to be investing for a period of 4 years. Okay, so we've got our 5%. We've got our line 4. We need to find the right factor. Since we're concerned with P/F we determined, we're going to go down here. We're going to use 0.8227. Okay, 4 years at a 5% interest rate, 0.8227, 0.8227, and that's going to give us the same number, $658.16. Okay, I rounded a little bit there for you, but you can see you're going to get the same number, and that's just a great way to check your problem to make sure that you did it right. Now remember, it's not this checking this way is not going to show you that you've done the problem correctly if you chose the wrong factor, but it will show you if you've done something wrong perhaps with your math using the formula. So it can be a good check.